Disclaimer: before I start this video, let me tell you that this video might give you an identity crisis or maybe an existential crisis. But it's not my fault, bro. It's yours. So let's get into the video. Remember the last time somebody asked you कि bro तुम्हारी hobby क्या है? तुम क्या करते हो free time में? And you replied something other than Netflix and chill, watching reels, or a hobby that does not involve the screen. I see increasingly Gen Zs may and maybe 90s kids may also, the hobbies are reducing. Like people don't take a hobby unless and until it involves a CV, pay 1 point, or it involves maybe upskilling, or it involves maybe instant gratification from maybe reels. कि अरे this is my hobby, if I put it on reels I'll get this many likes, this many engagement. A hobby which was truly yours, that didn't involve any instant gratification. And I see this trend कि Gen Z's में hobbies clearly decline हो रही है. And while I don't have any clear stats for this, I see around me कि भाई Gen Z's around me, people at my age around me don't have hobbies anymore. क्योंकि 8 से 10 घंटे तो ऑफिस का काम कर रहे होते हैं मंडे टू फ्राइडे, एंड सैटरडे संडे इतना सारा अलग अलग काम, मिसलेनियस काम, घर का अलग अलग चीज़ों का पाइलअप हो जाता है कि वो उसी में चला जाता है. And obviously I have stats for some global average screen time or maybe US average screen time which I'll put here, which is 9 hours per day. So Gen Z's in the US at least are spending 9 hours per day on their phones. So if they're spending 9 hours per day on their phones, it's hard to have a non-screen hobby at least. The number one reason is having a hobby is expensive. It takes some chunk of your money. And for example, if you have a sports hobby, so you firstly have to have people to play with you, you have to book a turf, you maybe have to book a court. And I've seen pickleball is taking over. So pickleball as a hobby is taking over because suddenly it's become the cool thing. And like offices में लोग बाद में office के बाद pickleball खेलने जाते हैं. Pickleball has become a sort of trend. If your hobby is trendy, you're still motivated to do the hobby. But what if your hobby is not trendy enough? I believe 2000s kids at least loved having hobbies in their childhood. Like I used to go to like 5 classes in different time periods of different hobbies, from skating to maybe dance to maybe music. Like every class there was, I used to attend. अलग अलग सालों में अलग अलग hobbies. But I see that as we grow up, I don't know if it's the pressure of growing up or maybe it's just plain the access to internet and the access to एंटरटेनिंग ourselves इज बिकम सो ईजी. ठीक है, अगर मैं बोर हो रही हूँ तो मैं रील्स चला के देख लूँगी, मैं बोर हो रही हूँ तो मैं नेटफ्लिक्स पे कुछ देख लूँगी. बट मैं कभी पेंट ब्रश उठा के कुछ करूँगी नहीं पेंट. बट मैं भी कभी बुक उठा के पढ़ूंगी नहीं, मैं बस चैट जीपीटी पे डाल दूंगी एक प्रॉम्प्ट, थोड़ा बहुत मैं पढ़ूंगी एंड दैट्स ऑल. विच इज़ वाई आर स्क्रीन टाइम्स तो हमारे बढ़ ही रहे हैं, बट जेन जी इज़ ग्लोबली स्टेटिस्टिकली one of the most depressed generations ever, because we don't have a hobby. How the hell are we spending our time? We are spending our time watching others do stuff. We are spending our time, again counterintuitive for me, but creating videos, and फिर हम उस पर देखते हैं कि अरे कितने likes आए, instant gratification. We are spending our time on maybe just doing courses जो हमारे CV पे add on करेंगे, but we don't want to do a hobby that very silently helps us and builds us and maybe helps us improve our mental health. and मतलब कुछ बढ़िया करने का मन करे तो आप रील्स ही देखते हो. At the end of the day, apart from consuming everything we do on the internet, we need a hobby that nourishes our soul. Because भाई मंडे को उठ के फिर से ऑफिस जाके ऑफिस का काम करना ही है, तो एटलीस्ट वीकेंड पे we must do something that nourishes us. And देखो हॉबी को ऐसे देखा जाता है ना, लाइक अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, कि भाई तो टाइम पास एक्टिविटी है, इसका क्या होगा. डू समथिंग दैट मेक्स यू अ साइड हसल मनी, डू समथिंग दैट मेक्स यू make videos, do something that makes you money towards the end of it. But if you think about it, if you have a very good hobby जिसमें आप ज़्यादा excel कर पाते हो, तो eventually that can evolve into a side hustle. Eventually it will, because there's a way to document every hobby. For example, in 2025 I coded for a bit. एक महीना मैंने थोड़ी बहुत कोडिंग करी. I made a video on it क्योंकि तब मैं इतनी ज़्यादा वीडियोज़ नहीं बनाती थी, but I created a very basic video of it. At least if you do a hobby, if you do something, a very good step is कि ठीक है, अगर आपको लगता है कि ये तो भाई वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है, तो स्टार्ट डॉक्यूमेंटिंग इट. यू कैन डॉक्यूमेंट इट ऑन मीडियम, यू कैन डॉक्यूमेंट इट ऑन एनी अदर वेबसाइट, यू कैन डॉक्यूमेंट इट ऑन Quora, Medium, Reddit, maybe on YouTube. So you can definitely document your hobby, and your documentation does not have to be perfect, but it can be a starting point. अगर आपको ये चाहिए कि भाई मेरी हॉबी से तो कुछ पैसे नहीं बनने वाले हैं, so that's a thing, but at least you have to do something that nourishes your soul towards the end. And reading is a very good hobby to start with. I can recommend a few books that I liked in 2025. I'll give you an example. There is a friend of mine who has been painting for years. Okay, her name is Bhuvana, and she has created all about Chai Ka logo also. She has been painting and she's been creating art for years, and she hasn't monetized her art kabhi bhi before 2025 last quarter. तो उससे पहले she was just doing it for pure leisure, pure fun. But she got so good at it that is why she created her own calendars for 2026. I am yet to receive the calendar. मैंने order place कर रखा है. And she created some artwork. She did some pop-up stores. Like, she's thriving with her hobby, and I love it because she creates great art. I'll list her page here. Maybe you can check it out. So basically, a hobby that you do in silence for a year or so, or a couple of years, will definitely yield you results later, and it will yield you very very nice results. तो ये एक जो हमारा मे बी माइंड सेट है कि भाई हॉबी तो वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है, क्योंकि a lot of middle class families also propagate this कि भाई हॉबी वॉबी छोड़ो, कुछ काम का करो एंड पैसे कमाओ, साइड हसल करो, ये करो वो करो. डेफिनेटली करो भाई, सब कुछ करो, बट नरिश योर सोल, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हसल कल्चर विल ड्राउन यू. एंड वाइल आई एम अ वेरी वेरी बिग सपोर्टर ऑफ हसल कल्चर, मैं बहुत साल से हसल कर रही हूँ, अलग अलग काम कर रही हूँ. I also have started believing कि भाई it is important to nourish your soul. It is important to basically have something that you don't maybe document or don't maybe show it to the world, but it's important for you to have it so that there is this place कि आप जाओ शाम में या फिर जब भी आप बहुत ज़्यादा कुक हो जाओ कि अब मैं ये करूँगी and this will maybe calm me down. At the end of the day, nobody wants to be depressed. At the end of the day, everyone wants to find their happiness. A hobby, and a hobby that you like, is a way to your happiness. And if you want to find some hobby ideas, I'm here to recommend some hobbies to you. Some of my hobbies that I've explored over the years is learning a language. So I started learning Czech, which is a language that is spoken in Czech Republic. And Duolingo, where you can find all these fun language courses that you can do. Memrise करके एक और ऐप है जिस पे you can do all these languages. Again, this involves a screen, so I have an alternate solution for you, of course. You can buy this book from the Lonely Planet, और ये बहुत सारी languages में आती है, almost सारी languages में आती है. It's a very very affordable book. I don't know कितने की है because I bought it like a couple of years back. I think 3-4 years back rather. So you can read, इसमें सारी pronunciations होती है. It's like a dictionary. It tells you थोड़ा बहुत grammar के बारे में of the language. तो pretty fun. You can buy a small book like this. And जब आप travel वगैरह कर रहे हो, जब आप free हो, you can maybe practice a new language. Because again, learning a new language is both a skill and a hobby. Because if you learn the language बहुत अच्छे से, it may help you later. It may help you create content. Because देखो किसी भी hobby का content तो बन ही सकता है. That's the thing. तो और कुछ नहीं तो content ही बना सकते हो. But if you don't even think in that direction, learning a new language is a very great hobby you can adopt, and it's not expensive at all. 300 रुपए and a Duolingo. That's all you need. So I have a friend who is learning Spanish, by the way, on Duolingo, and she has made her 1000-day streak. मतलब वो 1000 दिन से लगातार Duolingo पे Spanish सीख रही है, and वो बहुत अच्छे से Spanish समझ पाती है and everything. So this is again something that you can do. Learn a new language. And at the end of the day, कोई कुछ भी बोले, you also know कि भाई नई hobby सीखने से it unlocks a new portion in your brain. You feel like कि wow, you surprise yourself every day कि भाई मैंने तो सोचा ही नहीं था कि मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, and then you just learn something and you feel proud of yourself कि हाँ भाई मैंने कुछ नया सीखा आज. Again, will to live बढ़ जाती है, depression कम हो जाता है, and you feel just more happier, more creative, more nourished. Also, I wanted to show you a few books that I read in 2025, and I read non-fiction mostly, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है नॉन फिक्शन को किसी भी पेज से पढ़ा जा सकता है. कोई भी पेज खोल लो, 2 पेज पढ़ लो, 3 पेज पढ़ लो, and it works out for you. एवरीवन मे नॉट लाइक दिस फॉर्मूला बट या मैं तो भाई बीच से बुक पढ़ती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है, क्योंकि शुरू से पढ़ना फिर ऐसा लगता है मेरा अटेंशन स्पैन कम हो रहा है। येस दैट्स ऑल्सो अ थिंग, क्योंकि भाई इतना रील स्क्रॉल करते हैं कि आई डोंट फाइंड कि मेरा अटेंशन स्पैन उतना ज़्यादा है। तो वो अटेंशन स्पैन को हटाने के लिए मैं जब बुक पढ़ती हूँ तो मैं कोई भी रैंडम पेज निकाल के पढ़ना शुरू कर देती हूँ, एंड फिर मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है तो मैं आगे पीछे पढ़ लेती हूँ उसके। तो येस, दिस इज़ वन बुक दैट आई रेड, इट्स इन बबल रैप क्योंकि ये मेरे घर से आई है कोरियर में। I'll open that here. So this book is called Funding Your Startup and Other Nightmares. It's a very good book. You can check it out. मैंने अभी तक पूरी नहीं पढ़ी है क्योंकि अगेन मुझे ADHD है तो मैं बीच बीच में से पढ़ लेती हूँ, एंड कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा मिल जाता है एंड आई जर्नल इट। जो भी मुझे अच्छा मिलता है किसी भी बुक में, आई डोंट जस्ट लीव इट कि हाँ पढ़ लिया छोड़ दिया, एंड आई डोंट अंडरलाइन द बुक क्योंकि book lovers don't do that. So what I do instead is I write it in my journal. Again, journaling is a very great hobby to have. जो चीज़ें आपको अच्छी लग रही है which you have extracted from here and there, you can write it in your journal. Writing, journaling is a very very great hobby to have. Again, very much monetizable later. So all these hobbies, while there is this impression कि भाई hobbies monetizable नहीं हो सकती है बहुत आसानी से, but if you build the hobby for a year or so, it's monetizable, very very much monetizable. Another book that is a 2025 favorite for me is this one. It's called Sprint, How to Solve Big Problems and Test New Ideas in Just 5 Days. And इसके ideas आप 5 days में definitely test नहीं कर पाओगे, but it's a really really good book, legit writers, and they have visuals in between which makes it more readable, more interesting, and like pretty much fun if you want to read non-fiction books, if you are interested in building a business, if you are interested in maybe just reading as a hobby. So this is something that I recommend. I got it from a second hand bookstore in Bandra, काफ़ी सही प्राइस पे, and it's I don't find this book anywhere else, but this is a really good book and a 2025 favorite for me. So yes, reading can be a very very good hobby for you, and I don't know the stats. There were no stats, so I just want to ask you guys, do you have a hobby? Do you have a hobby? What is that hobby? मैंने जहाँ भी देखा सब कह रहे थे कि भाई Gen Z hobbies are evolving, which means evolving into something that involves the screen, like creating content, watching reels, Netflix and chill. ये सब hobbies हैं, but मेरे according a real hobby is something that involves less of a screen and more of doing things with your hands or using your brain more. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. And if you have a hobby, please drop it in the comment section. I'm just very excited to know कि भाई लोगों की क्या hobbies हैं आजकल. एंड मेरी एक रैंडम हॉबी है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा रैंडम हॉबी, जो साल में एक बार तो मैं हमेशा करती ही हूँ, विच इज़ टू पेंट अ वॉल. तो मेरे को दीवार पेंट करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, एंड दैट्स माई हॉबी विच आई डू विद माई हैंड्स, डज नॉट इन्वॉल्व अ स्क्रीन. सो या, I will show you my walls that I've started painting, and don't judge me, or maybe do, I don't care. So yeah, that was all for this video. Till then, make your own money, marry someone funny. Okay, bye.